Let's talk about the skills that you need to earn money online. First, understand that as with anything, when you're learning something new, you need to have patience and understand it's going to take time, and you need to focus and dedicate the time to actually learning the skill. But before you can learn the skill, you need to understand what the skills are. And to do that, I'm going to show you the skills required to utilize my top strategy. Of course, the top strategy is traffic. Content here on YouTube over to an offer that we're going to be an affiliate for. Then ultimately, we're looking to add people to an email list. So what skills are we looking at here? We're looking at traffic. Generating traffic comes down to content. Generating content or thinking about learning the skill of being a content marketer. And of course, once we generate that traffic with our content, moving it over to an offer, this leads us into the idea of marketing. Marketing in the form of creating hooks and creating squeeze pages or thinking about how to compel someone to sign up to our email list, which is the next skill. And that, of course, inside of the top strategy, traffic offer is people. So traffic offer people with the ultimate idea and the ultimate skill. The ultimate focus here on the ultimate skill is learning how to communicate with people once you get them on your email list. Ultimately, so you can continue to follow up with them, starting that conversation with them with the how-to content or moving back and thinking, okay, what type of content should I be creating? My focus and the way that I teach people utilizing the top strategy is to start with simple how-to content. Literally just showing someone how to do something. So picking a topic and thinking, how can I show people how to do the thing that they want to know how to do? So for example, if they're searching for how to do something here on YouTube, they type it in, they find my video or they find your video on that specific topic, and then you let them know that you have an offer. They click the link, they go over, and then ultimately you figure out how to add them to your email list. Again, all the skills that you need to know, but understand that your focus is on learning how to generate the information required to generate these skills. Of course, you can keep watching YouTube videos. You can watch my videos. You can click the link in the description. I'll take you over and walk you through the top strategy, how to actually pick a topic and the tools and everything required. But you can also do this yourself with another skill, and that skill is learning how to interface or brainstorm with artificial intelligence. And we're going to take a look at that inside of ChatGPT, and I want to show you the first prompt, or just the way that I start the conversation to move through the process of thinking or brainstorming with ChatGPT. In this case, in the context of making money online, explain what traffic is and why I need it. Now, this goes back to the idea and understanding that you've watched this video and you understand that the top strategy is 3 foundational pieces of traffic, offer, people, but you might not really get what traffic is, or it may sound, or when I say it, that you need to create content here on YouTube, it may sound like something that you understand, but if you can work through this process of ideation and you can learn to brainstorm with AI, this is the ultimate skill, because this conversation that we're having here is your ability to actually go and learn. It is so much different than going and learning from here on YouTube, watching my YouTube videos, or even my training, or even Googling something and finding a long in-depth article or buying a course. This conversation right here is you working with the artificial intelligence to come up with your own idea, bounce those ideas around, brainstorm, learn, and actually develop a plan based upon the strategy or the top strategy. So in the context of making money online, traffic refers to the number of visitors or users who come to your website, blog, online store, or any platform where you're trying to generate income. Like if you're trying to generate income here on YouTube. Traffic is a crucial metric because it represents potential customers or audience members who can engage with your content, product, or services. Here's why traffic is essential for online money-making ventures. Source of revenue, exposure and branding, data and insights, credibility, scaling opportunities, SEO benefits. Then you move into the paragraph here where it really breaks down why you need to understand all those elements. Because to increase your website's traffic, you can employ various strategies, such as, then it lists a core group of strategies, a core set of strategies here. Of course, the one that we are focused on, that we started this video with, that the skill that I think is one of the ultimate skills, based upon the top strategy is content marketing. That's creating helpful content here on YouTube. So now I want to take that idea that we got from this chat here, understanding and knowing that we want to effectively utilize the top strategy based upon the information I've given you in this video, but also empowering yourself to go and understand that artificial intelligence and you can brainstorm and figure this out way further, or you can go deeper and further than what I can provide you here in this video. And that's the ultimate skill that I want you to take away from this video. So with that in mind, we go back to ChatGPT and of course we say, great. Now let's explore traffic in the form of content marketing on YouTube, creating a channel that shows people how to for a specific topic that will lead them to an offer that I'm an affiliate for that solves the problem identified in my how-to content. And you can see here, now we are moving forward. We are learning and we're going through this process of brainstorming, ideation, and ChatGPT has now said creating a YouTube channel focused on how-to content with the intention of promoting affiliate offers is a viable strategy. But it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to leverage YouTube traffic for affiliate marketing in a how-to niche, or creating simple tutorials, simple videos that you just share your screen. And I've talked about that here on the channel. Of course, I'll leave a card up here to that video, also a link in the description. But understand that you just simply need to go through these steps. Choose a niche, identify a problem, do market research, understand that you need to learn how to do market research, keyword research, and then focus in on the skill of creating high quality how-to content. Produce informative, engaging, and high-quality how-to videos that provide real value to your viewers. Ensure that your content effectively addresses the problem that you have identified. Make use of clear explanation, visuals, and demonstrations to help viewers understand the solution. Kind of like what you're getting here in this video. Then, promote your offers, optimize, engage with your audience, consistency, promote your channel, track and analyze performance, compliancy, and transparency, continuous learning and improvement, because there is a lot to learn and that is going to be continuous. The fact that you are going to start and you are going to continually learn, you're going to focus, and you're going to focus on the top strategy of traffic offer people, and the fact that you need those very specific skills of content marketing, learning marketing in general when we're talking about building squeeze pages, or getting people over to an email list. And then once those people are on the email list, understanding the ins and outs of email marketing. Now, remember, back to the AI in our brainstorming session, remember that building a successful YouTube channel for affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Be patient, stay focused on providing value to your viewers, and continuously refine your approach based on feedback and data to maximize your traffic and affiliate earnings. Now, we learned a lot there, and those are the skills that we need to develop, but we can't stop there. Because remember, we understand that we have traffic and we have offer and the skills that are required to actually accomplish the goal of the top strategy, to generate traffic and to show people our offers. But next up, and what I said here with my chat with ChatGPT, awesome. Next up, I want to focus on adding people that find my content or the traffic to my YouTube channel that see my offer to an email list so I can follow up with them to provide further guidance and or solutions in the form of affiliate offers to potentially earn commissions. Please guide me on the step-by-step process based on the strategy of traffic offer people, or the top strategy, and the fact that I want to add those people once they see my content and my offer over to an email list. Then we move on. It says creating and nurturing an email list from the traffic you generate on YouTube is an effective strategy for building a long-term relationship with your audience and promoting your affiliate offers. Here's a step-by-step process to implement the strategy. Of course, I give you a step-by-step guide and walk you through it in videos here on the channel. I'll leave links to all of those. And of course, there's a link to ultimately see what it is I do every day here on YouTube as I guide you and walk you through my top strategy. But understand that the big takeaway again from this video is for you to master the skill of utilizing the AI and understanding that it's going to give you a plan. Step 1, choose an email marketing platform. Step 2, create an incentive for subscriptions. Step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 8, step 9, step 10, 11, 12. And again, it can be very overwhelming. But what you need to do is you need to back up and again, look at the AI. Give it some more information based upon what you've done now, based upon all the steps and the ideation and the brainstorming, the back and forth with the AI. If you don't understand something that it gives you, ask it for further details. Ask it for more detail and a step-by-step plan. Now, let's move on to actually getting that step-by-step plan to focus and to learn these skills that are required. Perfect. Now, please give me a detailed plan so I can learn all the skills needed using these 3 pillars of a profitable online business. Because I gave you the strategy: traffic, offer, people. The top strategy is what you need to focus on, with traffic being helpful how-to content on YouTube, and my offer being my affiliate links to solutions, and people being added to an email list. Now, it's going to break it down and it's going to say, okay, based on these 3 pillars, or based on the top strategy, traffic, offer, people, here are a combination of skills, and here's how you can execute this strategy. Month 1 to 2, skill development and research. Week 1 to 2, niche selection and research. Week 3 to 4, affiliate marketing basics. You can see here it's going to walk you through 12 weeks. It's going to walk you through months 7 and 8, week 13 to 14. It's going to keep going. It's going to give you a plan here that's going to show you all you have to do is you have to walk through this plan, take the time, and understand that once you focus on the plan and then you come back to ChatGPT, throughout this plan, continue to educate yourself by reading industry blogs, taking online courses, and joining relevant forums or communities to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing, content creation, and email marketing. Remember that building a profitable online business takes time and persistence and focus. As you can see here, it says stay focused on delivering value to your audience while optimizing your strategies for better results. Maintain your focus, but also understand that developing these skills over time is going to take patience. It's going to take focus. You need to continue to watch the videos that I produce here, and also ask in the comments if there's something you don't understand. Fire up ChatGPT, get an account if you don't already have one, and walk through the process and use it as an assistant. If you want to see more videos, or you want to see me do this more, then check out the link in the description where I walk through this brainstorming process, or simply ask in the comments. That is why I'm here. That is why I create this content. That is what I want to do with you. I want to walk through this process, but I also want you to understand that the ultimate skill you can master right now going forward is how to brainstorm and interface with artificial intelligence and use it as a partner to think through process, to think through strategy. Once you see a strategy like my top strategy and understand that you need traffic, you need an offer, and you need people on an email list to build a profitable online business. And even though I give you all that information step by step, there may be some very, very small details that you're not clear on. You can utilize artificial intelligence on your own, or you can ask here in the comments and I can help you out. But ultimately, the point and the focus here is for you to develop that skill as you move forward to earn money online. And remember, you're not going to learn all this today, but you can start today, and then you can improve 1% every day by bouncing ideas off the AI, bouncing ideas off of me in the comments, and continue to watch the videos, of course, that I make here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.